Hi, my name is By profession, I am software engineer. If you see my before transplant pictures and now after 8 months, I become more confident about myself. My transplant was a combination of FUE and FUT. I had a very good experience at Medispa. This is my hair transplant story at Medispa.
The hairline design is actually an art. What we do, we make a irregular hairline design in front, then we start planting single hair in front, gradually double hair in second and triple hair in back side. This is how we differentiate and make it very natural. If you see a natural hairline, if you see my hairline, it is a irregular hairline. Fine, the front hair is a single hair row, then double and triple. The exactly same I am going to copy for him. We can observe the hairline gradually modifying from low dense area to high dense area. We get thinner single hair grafts for front hairline by FUT and thicker double and triple hair grafts. You can see in between there are double and triple hair grafts which are by FUE. So by combining FUT and FUE, we get the natural looking hairline as well as a denser looking hairline. What about the scarring on the back side? As we see back side, there is no donor depletion or density depletion. So strip size was also minimized. We did a trichophytic closure. So the donor is also very less disturbed. It's difficult to identify any scarring in the donor because we have done a trichophytic closure. So we get an advantage of both the techniques like thinner and thicker grafts, and neither it's a linear scar visible, neither there is donor density depletion as we see in excessive harvest of FE.